right, check it out, guys. One of my locals, Red Hawk Casino, finally has in the new Dollar Storm. So I'm gonna play it for you guys. I have a ticket for $184.91. And this one's Emperor's Treasure. I do not believe I've ever played this one, so we're gonna learn it together. We're gonna start with pennies. On pennies, it's a 100-line game, which is totally different than Dragon Link. Let's get some volume, and here we go. Woo. Okay, so the doors don't open. Doors must be the bonus. He's wild. This very much looks like Dragon Link. I think this one looks the most like Dragon Link. Don't you? Alright, let's turn that down just a wee bit. Let's try that. Come on, 3 more. You guys will have to let me know what you're thinking of these new Dragon Storms. No, not Dragon Storms, Dollar Storms. Seems like people are either loving them or hating them. And a lot of people think they're way more volatile, which is true, they are, because you have the humongous super grand chance sitting at $100,000, which makes these much more difficult. Come on! All right. Come on. All right, come on, bonus. I feel like I don't think there's multipliers in this bonus. Like Ninja Storm has multipliers. And Egyptian Jewels has multipliers. I don't think this one did. Alright, we got a win. Come on! Oh. No, I think they're bonus. Alright. Let's try 2 cent and on, which will bring us down to a 50-line game, and we can still do a $2 bet. Oh, come on. Darn it.
Yeah, this is Dragon Link.
Yeah, this is like a Dragon Link clone for sure. At least Ninja Moon and the other ones have a little bit of uniqueness about them. This one is Dragon Link. Come on, one more door. Oh. Come on. $1.
All that noise for $1?
All that noise for $1. Come on. All right, we're gonna move on up. We're gonna go to nickels, which is now a 25-line game. We're gonna play 250. Come on, one bonus. All right, a little bit more than our bet back. I keep wanting those doors to open. Huh. I guess. If I'm cheering for doors the whole time and it's not doors, I'd be upset. Gotta be. All right, we're moving on up. We're gonna go to dimes, 250. Because this has something unique that Lightning Link does not. And I'll show you guys that in just 1 second. There we go. That's a good win. $18, we'll take it. Oh, we got the bonus. At least we get to see it. Now they opened up 250 bet on dimes. Let's see if there's multipliers or what's going on here. Are we ready? Oh, Slot Hubby's snapping a pic.
Hold on, let me get just a picture of this guy right
Got him?
there.
All right, here we go. Okay, 10 games. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, what are we doing here? Why did the door... Oh, no, what? Okay, there's something. Wow.
That was brutal.
So no multipliers, and he doesn't like fill the reel or anything special.
Yeah.
Oh my. Bonus in the bonus? 3. I don't know that I like this version all of a sudden. That was nothing special except for you get 10 games.
That and all those sticky rows, whatever they're called, block everything.
Yeah. All right. Oh, I really love that. Would have been 2 $100 minis. Doggone it.
It's like,
Yeah. All right, so what we're gonna do, now we're gonna go up to quarters. Now, normally if you play quarters on Lightning Link, you have to play, well, first of all, you have to play it on a high limit version and you have to play it at $12.50 a spin, I believe it is. This is a 15 line version, which means I can play quarters for $3.75. Now, granted, I'm only getting 15 lines, but look at those progressives. Now the mini's $175, the minor is $8.75. So let's try quarters, $3.75, and see if we can get that ball drop. Or the doors, but all right. I think we really went ball drop on this one for sure. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Do it. Oh. Oh, that's probably at least our bet back, I would say. Good, nice. Double. The little bird cage is so random, huh? Come on.
I think the balls are extremely small.
The balls are small, yeah. All right, now we're gonna go to the dollar. It's only 5 lines and it's a $5 bet. So we've only got a couple of spins in us. Oh, that's a whole line.
$50.
We got lucky on that. That's one of the only 5 lines. Nice. Whoops, I forgot to show you guys the new progressives. There's your progressives on dollar denom. So that mini would have been $2.50. Oh, come on. If you've ever picked a time to drop those, drop them now.
Bonus or ball drop? Bonus or ball drop?
Ooh, come on. All right, a little something. Our bet back. Oh. All right, bet back. First spin bonus. Spin.
Huh?
First spin bonus.
Oh, wow.
That's pretty cool. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. One time. You can do it one time. Come on, honey. You got 4 spins.
Come on. Come on.
Oh. Last. Oh. All right. Press it. Okay. That is the new Dollar Storm and Emperor's Treasure, and that is pretty much the luck I've had on Dollar Storm so far. Let me know in the comment sections if you guys love or hate Dollar Storm and how your luck has been on Dollar Storm so far.